Every time you put trash into the ocean, millions of fish die in their homes. Not by pollution itself, but by lack of photosynthesis. Coral reefs are home to fish and other organisms. Coral reefs are dying every day. 10% of the world's coral reefs are completely destroyed. 5% is in good condition. When coral reefs die, they may become dead zones. Coral reefs die when pollution blocks out sunlight. Without sunlight, coral cannot produce energy and food. Without photosynthesis, they die. The algae inside the coral leave or making it bleach. The algae are organisms inside the coral that give it its color. Bleaching is when algae inside the coral die or leave, making the coral white. Now we are going to interview on the expert on the subject, Paul. He had his degree in marine biology. He has studied coral reefs and gives excellence. Take it over, Yannick.
With coral reefs dying, how could the environment change?
When coral reefs die from lack of sunlight, organisms such as shrimp or fish living there don't have a home, and later the area might be a dead zone. Dead zones are places where life cannot live. Dead zones are more likely to happen in water than on land.
That is interesting. How does then coral reefs affect civilization?
Coral reefs provide protection from tidal storms. They provide cures for ulcers. They also lessen carbon dioxide. Without them, we are vulnerable to tidal storms. We could catch diseases, and there would be more carbon dioxide in the air and water.
I'm glad we have them then. How do humans harm coral reefs?
We won't have them for long, though. Reckless fishermen blow up coral reefs and catch some fish, or they pour cyanide in the coral reefs and get them to rip them apart to catch the fish. Cyanide is a poison that harms or kills fish.
Thanks,
Get
Bob.
back over here.
Back to you, Milo.
Okay.
Many tourists come to specific areas to see coral reefs, but with those gone, they can't. Doctors think coral reefs have medical purposes. Without them, they don't have cures for some diseases. As you can see, the bleached coral population have gone up in the past 4 years. Unaffected coral reefs have gone down, and damaged coral has stayed the same. This means that coral reefs are dying, and we need to fix it immediately. Dying coral reefs are the red. Blue is the ocean, and green is the land. Dying coral reefs are in the Great Barrier Reef region, Oceania, the Horn of Africa, and even Upper Latin America. 10 ways to help out: conserve water, help reduce pollution, only use ecological or organic fertilizers, dispose trash properly, plant a tree, practice safe swimming or snorkeling, volunteer for reef cleaning, contact government official, or spread the word. The coral reefs need help, and without them, life would be different in a negative way. That's all. Thank you for your time.